What's up, everybody? Vincent here with TrackNTrade, and we got our how to start the stock market as a beginner for 2020 video, guys. I wanted to drop this video for you guys. Please do me a favor. If you like this video, guys, do me a favor, hit that like button below, guys. It helps me so much, guys. Please hit the like button. And as always, of course, if you like the information, if you like the channel, guys, please hit the subscribe button below, guys. Please hit that and make sure you hit the alerts, and that way you can stay tuned on when I drop some hot fire. So with that being said, guys, here on this channel, guys, I talk about the stock market, I talk about entrepreneurship, and for this video and specifically, we're going to be talking about how to start trading or how to begin the stock market as a beginner in 2020, guys. So I say personally, guys, there's 5 steps that you're going to want to take. The first one is going to be opening a paper trading account. It is very important to open a paper trading account. Why is it important to open a paper trading account? Well, one, fortunately for you guys, you don't have to trade, you don't have to fund a brokerage account with real money and practice with real money to learn in the stock market now, guys. The beautiful thing now in 2020 is you can actually open a paper trading account with the trading platform that I'm going to suggest for this video, which is going to be TD Ameritrade's THINKORSWIM. I'm going to provide that in the description below as well, guys. You can check that out. THINKORSWIM, great application, works perfectly for me. I love using it. And you can open a paper trading account with them, guys. That will allow you to trade in real-time data with real-time quotes and allow you to really practice trading and practice these strategies before you ever risk a dollar bill, guys. I really advise you that you don't even think about trading, guys, in the real market before you even practice paper trading for at least 6 months, guys, because you're going to want to make sure that you're doing this, one, for the long haul. You can be consistent, you can be steady in this, you can continue to do this, and then 2, you want to make sure that you are saving yourself that risk, that devastating blow, that kick in the horn, yes, if you lose money. And trust me, it does not feel good losing money. So that's my first step, guys. Open a brokerage, open a paper trading account, guys, and paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. The second thing I'm going to advise you to do is figure out how much money you want to make in the stock market and how much time you want to dedicate into this market. Those are 2 very important questions because that's going to really customize what type of trader that you want to become. That's going to make it to where you're going to be able to decide, hey, do I want to be a long-term investor where I just buy a company, say for example American Airlines. I see value in American Airlines right now, so I just put money in, I throw money into a portfolio, I buy X amount of shares, and I'm willing to sit on those shares for a couple of years, right? That may be your approach, and there's nothing wrong with that if you decide that's the type of investor you would like to be. Now, let's say you say, well, hey, I want to dedicate maybe 20 minutes to the market a day, or maybe 10 minutes to the market a day, because I work a full-time job, or I'm a full-time student, or I do something full-time and I want trading to kind of just be something I do on the part-time, guys. There's nothing wrong with that, but you need to be able to identify that based off of how much time you are willing to commit on the day-to-day basis in this market, guys. The second thing I really want you to focus on, the last style, is if you decide you want to do this full-time, that means you want to make money every single day trading in this market. You love it, you grow a passion for it, you decide, hey, I think this is something that I can do for the rest of my life and something that I'm willing to commit an hour a day to. Okay, well, great. That means you want to be a day trader, guys, and there's nothing wrong with that. You can make money either day trading, like I said, swing trading, which is taking and trading within a span of weeks or days because you don't have that time to trade every day, or just long-term investing. You need to know that for sure, though, before you ever take a trade in this market, because you don't want to waste your time, one, 2, you want to make sure you can be honest with yourself. And lastly, you want to make sure that you can be consistent with whatever type of style you decide you want to go with. Okay, so the third thing that I would advise you to do, guys, is check out best strategies for traders, guys. There's tons of resources out there. ThinKORSWIM application literally offers an education tab within the application, guys. Very easy to find it. You can call up the brokerage and they'll make sure they can guide you if you have a trouble finding it. But I promise you, it's very easy to find. As soon as you download the app, you'll see the education tab, guys. They have mountains of data in there for you to just go through. They have webcasts, webinars. They have experts that trade, guys. They have forums. They have blogs. They have just informational videos about anything and everything. Mutual funds, ETFs, futures, anything you can pretty much imagine for the stock market, guys. That's a resource. There's tons of great YouTubers out here, guys, that drop amazing content that keeps you up to date, guys. Navigate that. And even here in TrackNTrade, guys, you can check out our video. You can click the card right there. I'm gonna have the card link, guys, where you can check out our support and our resistance, guys, on how we trade supports and resistances. You can also check out, guys, our capitalizing on pullbacks. That's a trading strategy for beginners. Very easy trading strategy just to get your feet wet. And then lastly, guys, the last one I want you to check out is our ThinKORSWIM tutorial. That's the video of me going through ThinKORSWIM and going through my basic applications, guys. We have all of that for free. I'm going to drop all the cards above, guys. You can click that and check that out, please. And do me a favor, guys, if you're liking this video so far, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button, guys. And also do me a favor, guys, really hit that like button. It helps these videos so much, and I would love to grow this community with you guys. The fourth thing we're going to talk about is joining a trading community. Guys, once you've downloaded paper trading, you've been paper trading, once you've decided how much money you want to spend, and then you have to decide how much money you want to make. And the way that you decide how much money you want to make, guys, is very simple. We're going to get to joining a trading community right after I tell you this. You decide how much money you want to make is you say, well, hey, if I want to make $100 a day, right, in the stock market, here at TrackNTrade, guys, we go for 2% per trade, 2 to 3% per trade, right? That is a modest approach. That's a realistic approach. That's a very attainable approach. Guys, you can do 2% in the market every day. If you're under the PDT rule, and we'll get to that later, guys, we're going to have a video dropping for that in our day trading series that's dropping. So please, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But if you're under the PDT rule and you can only take 3 day trades, guys, that equals 6% a week, right? So now we're going for 6% target on the week. That's what your goal is. That's realistic. That's what you should set your game plan around. 6% a week, right? That's a good week. So now you start to do the math. Okay, if I'm trading with a portfolio, what's 1% of, let's say, for example, $1,000? 1% of $1,000 would be $10. 2% would be $20. So if I'm trading with $1,000 and my target is 2% on every trade, that's $20 a trade. If I'm under the PDT rule, that equals what? 3 trades, $60 a week, right? 6, 12, 18, $240 a month. If I'm not under the PDT rule and I have all 5 of my trades in the week and I go for 2%, let's use that same $1,000, right? That's $10 a percent. $20 equals 10%. $20 equals, yes, 2%. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? That's $100 a week, $400 a month. That is the formula you want to build your strategy around on how you grow your account, guys. We do not go off of wishful thinking. We don't go for ridiculously high cap stocks where they offer ridiculous margins of growth, 100, 150, 2,000. Guys, you don't want to trade that stuff. You want to trade stuff that offers consistent, steady patterns that you can get in, you can understand the highs, you can understand the lows. follows. It's consistent, guys. It has great volume in it, and we can get in and get out. Those are the ideal patterns that we like to trade, but that is how you set up how much money you want to make. Now, let's talk about considering joining a trading community, guys. In this market, guys, it's important. I mean, anything in life, there's power in numbers. Unity is everything, guys. You want to make sure you are part of a trading community. If you need a trading community, I do have a trading community. We do offer a track and trade trading community. We have a Facebook page, guys, that's growing rapidly, guys. You can click that below, guys. That's in the description box below. And then we also have, of course, our Discord group. That's completely free, guys. You can get in there. I'm always in there. I'm dabbing. I'm doing the Dougie, guys. I'm always in the Nate. I got some fire music on, guys. Come in there, check it out, please, guys. I would love to see you there. And do me a favor, guys. If you like this video, if you have a question, drop it in the comment box below, guys. I would love to engage with you and answer anything that you may have. If you have an idea for a video, something about the stock market that you want me to say or talk about, guys, let me know in the comments below or send me a message, and I will most definitely put that into consideration. With that being said, the last thing, guys, that you want to consider doing in this market is, once you've gone through free information, and if you decide that you want a structured environment for learning the stock market, guys, we do have a course here that we offer, guys. It's 90% off, guys. It's an amazing course. Poured hours and hours and hours into this course, guys, revising it, changing it, and making sure that it's beginner friendly, that you know by the end of it you're equipped with everything that you need to trade in the stock market and to take your first trade, and that you are equipped with the psychology, the best practices, guys, how to get in there and, you know what I'm saying, get that cash, guys. I'm telling you, we got everything in there for you, guys. We have that 90% off, guys. Please make sure you check that out in the description box below, guys. Special coupon for you. That's because I love you. You know, you get what I'm saying? I care about you. With that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope that you seen value in this. If you did, please like, guys.